Guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial using only Benefit Cosmetics. They were kind enough to send over this cute little grocery basket, shopping basket, whatever you want to call it, full of Benefit goodies that I would like to share with you guys, and then we will use those products in a makeup tutorial. So first in our shopping basket, we have the All Brow That Cheddar 3 cheese brows. Super cute. It looks like a little mac and cheese container. And inside we have 3 brow products. We've got the Precisely My Brow Pencil, we have the 24-Hour Brow Setter, and we have the Precisely My Brow Detailer. I use all 3 of these almost every single day. Sometimes I'll switch out this one for the micro brow pen, but yeah, nonetheless, I use these products every single day, and yeah, they would make great stocking stuffers. Next, we've got the All You Need Is Pore Care, and this is so cute. It looks like a little thing of biscuits or cinnamon rolls. It says fresh baked for pores, and inside we have a little mini Professional Good Cleanup. This is the Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. You guys, this is great stuff. And they also have a little Deep Retreat Pore Refining Clay Mask inside. You guys, when I tell you these products are amazing and I use them all the time, I absolutely mean that. I actually have the full size sitting right here next to my vanity so I can remember to do my masks. That's one thing that I forget to do in my skincare is like a mask routine, like a weekly or every other day kind of mask routine. I forget that. So I've got that one sitting right there so I remember, oh, it's mask time. And last but not least, they sent over the Wild Caught Lashes, which this is so cute. You guys, it looks like a little tuna can or sardine can. I am in love. So cute. And I will be able to reuse this little tin case for whatever I would like. And inside we have 2 mascaras. Of course, they've got their own wrapping paper, the Benamart wrapping paper, which is so cute. Here we've got the Fan Fest mascara and then the Bad Gal Bang mascara. 2 mascaras that I use absolutely all the time. I love the Bad Gal Bang. I use it almost every single day. And when I'm not using this one, I'm more than likely using this one. So yeah, without further ado, let's use these products as well as some other Benefit faves of mine in a makeup look. All right, so I am just going in with this Precisely My Brow Pencil and my brows. Then we're gonna use the 24-Hour Brow Setter to lock it all in place. Then at the front of our brow, I'm going to use this Precisely My Brow Detailer. This is super duper little, guys. It's so fine. And it just really creates the tiniest little hair strokes right there at the front of the brow and makes it look so realistic. I love this tool. Now I am applying the Professional Matte Primer. This stuff is so good, you guys. If you are oily or combination skin, this is going to keep you matte throughout the day. All right, so now I'm taking a little bit of the Benefit Benetint as well as the Benefit High Beam. I'm going to mix these 2 together and make kind of a strawberry milkshake kind of shade, and we're just going to apply that to our cheeks. This is going to give us that wintry, cold, yet highlighted, glowy look. So I'm going to take some of the Benetint. I'm not going to really show you guys because this stuff is super runny. And then I literally just knocked it over and spilled it everywhere. And then we're going to take that High Beam, place it right next to the Benetint. Mix these 2 together on the back of our hand. And as you can see, it's starting to make a light pink kind of shade. And we're just going to apply this to the cheeks. And it's so pretty. Now I'm just taking the Professional Power Powder. This is my second purchase of this stuff, you guys. I love it so much. I am just going to get a little bit on my brush here and just kind of set my T-zone area. This is going to really not only minimize your pores, but also keep oil at bay. All right, so I added a little bit of Hoola bronzer in the contours of my cheeks just for a light contour, and now we are using the Professional Super Setter Setting Spray just to lock that all in. All right, so now it is roller liner time. This is the roller liner eyeliner from Benefit. I got this in a little holiday gift set, I believe last year, and it has lasted me this long. But yeah, I honestly don't know if they make a full size of this. If they don't, they should. It is so, so good, you guys. We're gonna do some graphic liner, and yeah, we'll see where my hand takes me. So first I am just starting with some regular wing liner, and then we're gonna do some crazy stuff. So I literally have no clue what I'm doing, and trying to match what I'm doing over here on this eye is going to be so much fun. Now we're going in with the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm just gonna do a coat on my lashes. I'm just gonna add a little color to this look. Not using Benefit for this. On my lips, I've used these Benefit products. This is the Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint in the shade Cream Puff. And this is the Moisturizing Dewy Lip Tint in the shade Heat Wave. So I applied Cream Puff all over my lips, and then I took Heat Wave and just kind of put it on the inner portion of my lips just to create that kind of depth that you guys are seeing. Super cute. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Benefit Cosmetics makeup tutorial. You guys, all of these products would make great gifts for Christmas or great stocking stuffers, so be sure to jump on it. I just want to say a big thank you to Benefit Cosmetics for sending me the little shopping cart full of goodies to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.